Hello, everyone. How's it going? Welcome to another episode of Is It Necessary? And today we finally have the comeback of Mr. Jay Garg. उसने 2 महीने से गैप लिया था क्योंकि उसने सोचा था उसकी जॉब लगेगी तब वापस आएगा. जॉब नहीं लगी इसलिए आ गया. And we also have our guest and for the first time with us, Miss Amruta Nair. With that thing in mind, we'll now talk about जो आज का हमारा topic है, which is how to identify fuckboys and bitches. So, firstly, let's start with our guest only. Amruta, what do you think? Is it really necessary to identify fuckboy and bitches?
Yeah, obviously it is necessary because regardless of whether you want to be into that kind of relationship or non-relationship, actually, whatever. If you're into that, that's fine. But like, it's always better to know if they are a fuckboy or not, so that you can protect your own interests.
Jay, what do you think?
Obviously, yes, because yes, like तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए तुम किस दलदल के अंदर जा रहे हो. अगर तुम्हें नहीं पता है तो तुम it's just like you'll be in that infinite loop of being on the hook and losing out on your peace and जो भी like calmness and stuff, and that is definitely going to hamper your other things as well. So yeah, you should know in what thing you're getting into.
Yeah, I mean, ये question ही
And
काफी
like,
rhetorical type का
in
था.
the end, but like most importantly, if everything goes south, there is nobody that you can blame except for yourself. So that feels worse. कि इतना torment के बाद, oh shit, ये तो मैंने ही किया. Like, this is what I got myself into. So just to avoid that situation.
ये काफी personal space से आ रहा है, and that was the only reason why we called Amruta today. So
tried and tested experiences.
Exactly, multiple times. Although मैंने भी किया हुआ है, and so
3 साल पहले भी था.
हाँ. All right. So let's start with the next part of the segment. के what do you guys think? के like एक fuckboy की characteristics क्या होती है? Like हमने ये तो बोल दिया कि we should identify, but how should a person identify? Like what are the things?
So Amrita, you go ahead first.
So मेरा first point ये है कि they will never communicate with you. They will seem like they're communicating, but they're not actually communicating. They just say a lot of filler. Matlab, if you suppose like you have this situation going on with someone, like it's very casual right now, but you want to take it a step further, and you try to talk about it. You're like, oh, you know what, I have feelings for you. So they'll just be all like, oh, like, you know what, like, we should go out, we should talk about this like a little bit later. They'll either like try to postpone that conversation, and they'll just like avoid it altogether. Yeah, फिर worst thing, they'll just sweet talk around, like they'll just beat around the bush, and that ends up still giving you hope, but there's nothing actually there.
So yeah, I have noticed this because like I have kind of been one in my past. So I've done the same thing. So I can say it from personal experience. कि whenever she was trying to talk about this, तो मैं बोलता था कि क्यों इतनी जल्दी करना है वगैरह, we are just getting to know each other or wait, या फिर I would say कि why do you want to give it a tag, हमें पता है उतना काफी है. Classic fuckboy lines. Exactly.
Yeah, just labels, tags, responsibilities, obligations.
और also never be available कि जब खुद कुछ नहीं हो रहा, बहुत बोर हो रहे लाइफ में, तब we'll go and talk to that person because void fill करना है हमें कि अकेले अपने थॉट्स के साथ तो नहीं बैठेंगे, सो तभी वो फिलर की तरह आ जाएंगे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी डोंट रियली केयर. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम सेइंग वी. मैं खुद फकबॉय की तरह आइडेंटिफाई क्यों कर रहा हूँ इधर.
तुम्हारा मतलब पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस याद आ रहा है ना तुमको.
हाँ, सो पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस तो जय के भी है थोड़े से. हाँ जय, व्हाट डिड यू डू इन योर फकबॉय फेज?
Kind of, I would say very similar to this, but उसमें on Amrita's one thing that not having, like, they don't talk about, मेरे को actually अब वो point काफी सही लगा that yeah, this thing does happen actually. Like, not just, we should not be like fuck boy खाली like लड़का होता है, लड़कियां भी हो सकती है. The boys, like, actually most of the time यही होता है, like boys get a boys get played along a lot, right? So usme let me just state in general terms, like whoever in that part is a fuckboy or a fuck girl, yeah, jo bhi bitches, um, they don't really want to have a conversation where that thing, like that's the tag that you said, right? वो जब भी बात आती है ना, they start beating around the bush. That is kind of like a very big signal, and if you are kind of like looking into getting into something serious, then you should definitely avoid it. And I feel like ये बहुत ज़्यादा common हो गया है आजकल. Like कई लोग ये चीज़ enjoy करते हैं, like keeping people on the hook, just like
ईगो
self
बूस्ट के लिए, हाँ
ego
वही.
boost के लिए, exactly. But they don't really care कि like दूसरा person actually में क्या feel कर रहा है, which I feel is very wrong.
एक्चुअली
Even if
दूसरा
you
वाला
want to
पर्सन
just
भी चेज कर रहा होता है बिकॉज दे लाइक द चेजिंग वाला पार्ट
exact,
के
I mean
ये
that's
चैलेंज फील होता है
yeah,
उनको. बिकॉज आई हैव बीन इन
that
दैट
could
प्लेस
be
आल्सो, क्योंकि मैंने बिचेस को बहुत चेज किया हुआ है जस्ट बिकॉज आई नो कि दे आर नॉट इजी
true.
टू गेट. जो इजी मिलती है वो तो हमें बोरिंग लगती है.
Exactly. And I feel
Correct,
like ये
correct.
पूरा, हाँ, ये पूरा like ये पूरा ecosystem create कर देता है कि like ठीक है, कुछ लोगों को हुक पे रखना पसंद है और कुछ लोगों को हुक पे रहना पसंद है. But yeah, that on top of all this, I feel like कि तुम लोगों को इतना awareness होना चाहिए that you should respect first yourself. मतलब giving importance to yourself, that is important. But I think like we'll come to that on the later part of the section.
या
But
सो या
yeah,
इन समरी दिस इज वन पॉइंट टू आइडेंटिफाई कि वो कभी डायरेक्टली बात नहीं करेंगे. व्हाट यू वांट,
exactly.
हाँ, इट विल फील वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कम्युनिकेट योर थॉट्स टू दैट पर्सन क्योंकि उसको सुनना नहीं है.
Yep. Interest ही नहीं होता उनको basically. All they want is to get into your points.
What do you think is the next thing, Amruta?
Second is not respecting how you feel. So, like, if you tell them, well, if let's say there is like this casual situation going around, and that this guy or this girl is they're like sleeping with multiple people, right? So, if you kind of go and confront them about it, they'll just be like, so like there's been this term going around, gaslighting.
Yeah,
They
I was just going
actually
to say that.
they talk to you in such a way that they will undermine how you perceive a situation, and वो अपना perception वहाँ पे घुसेड़ देंगे बिल्कुल. And you do this over time, and you condition a person to not listen to themselves and listen to you.
Yeah.
I didn't know about this gaslighting thing. Nice to know.
So if
I went into like I went into like this very deep relationship accounts ka wormhole on Instagram. So you can find like gaslighting just being thrown around like hotcakes.
Right. So I'll just tell you a more clear definition of gaslighting. अगर तेको अभी भी clear ना हुआ हो तो, basically it is being the victim yourself and making other people feel bad about their own feelings. Like I'll also try to give an example. जैसे suppose तू कुछ कर रहा है और उससे मुझे बुरा लग रहा है, so मैं तेको बोलूंगा कि मुझे इस बात से बुरा लग रहा है, बट तू मुझे वो गिल्टी फील कराएगा कि तूने ये एक्शन क्यों किया, कि तेरे लाइफ में ये प्रॉब्लम चल रही है वगैरह वगैरह. एंड आई एम नॉट बीइंग एम्पैथेटिक इनफ टू अंडरस्टैंड यू कि तुझे तेरे लाइफ में मजबूरी है इसलिए तो मैं बुरा फील कर रहा हूँ. दैट इज टोटली डिसमिस. मेरे को बुरा फील करना भी नहीं चाहिए, ऊपर से मेरे को तेरे बारे में सोचना चाहिए. सो माई फीलिंग्स डोंट मैटर, यू मैटर. दैट्स गैसलाइटिंग.
Okay. And ये like दोनों कर सकता है, like
सब
fuckboys
करते हैं ये.
का
हाँ,
trait है ये. Okay. Yeah, I get it. But I feel like this is very specific because कहीं ना कहीं इसको like ऐसा भी हो सकता है नखरे करना. मतलब लड़कियां, या I have had experience with girls, like लड़कियां करती है ये. And you just be like कि हाँ चल ठीक है. You should not really care much. Like
आई
you
डोंट थिंक
should
तू अभी भी
care, but
समझा है.
हाँ मेरे को like exactly. Okay, I get it. So you're saying कि basically खुद guilty में होते हुए भी making the other person feel guilty about it,
हाँ, shift the blame on
so
that
that
person.
you don't get the blame.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
you know deep inside that you have fucked up somewhere.
Maybe.
Okay.
So like imagine you are getting angry about something, so they'll just be like, oh, how can you get angry about this? How dare you doubt my intentions?
But wait, like that's what I was like.
See,
I got
I'll give
confused on
you
the
a
part.
really awesome example जो मेरी cousin sister के साथ हुआ था थोड़े टाइम पहले. So
Okay.
हाँ, उसका काइंड ऑफ ऑन ऑफ वाला गाय यही कमिटेड नहीं है, फक बॉय यहीं पे स्पॉट हो गया वैसे तो. ही चीटेड ऑन हर एंड
Okay.
शी फाउंड आउट थ्रू हिज फोन कि उसके कोई चैट या मैसेज या कुछ देख लिया था इसने. वैसा कुछ था, कुछ व्हाट्सएप वेब वाला सिचुएशन था. आई डोंट रिमेंबर द होल थिंग. सो शी कन्फ्रंटेड हिम कि यू चीटेड, बट ये उसके ऊपर चढ़ गया कि यू ब्रीच्ड माय प्राइवेसी, तूने मेरे मैसेजेस कैसे पढ़े वगैरह वगैरह, एंड ब्लेम ऐसे इसके ऊपर डाल
Correct.
दिया.
That's the word.
Oh, that's like the yeah, got it.
हाँ,
The standard move.
एंड वो इसको गिल्टी फील करा रहा है कि तुझे प्राइवेसी की रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है, यू डोंट ट्रस्ट मी एंड ऑल. खुद चीट किया है तो
तो
ऑब्वियसली,
फिर
बट हाँ भाई, यू गेट इट
हाँ,
नाउ.
okay. Yeah, got it. True.
So
Yeah.
ideally, like अगर ऐसा situation तुम्हारे सामने है, तो like there are two issues. One कि someone cheated and one कि you breached their privacy. Both are issues, but like they're separate and they have to be addressed separately.
एग्जैक्टली.
But
If
breaching
मतलब
वाला
तुम
point तो
दोनों
वहीं
का
पे issue खत्म हो जाता है ना, when you like find something that is bad and like that ends there, like bro. But I get it, the other person doesn't
हाँ,
understand because he is in the loop. Okay, प्यार अंधा होता है.
या वो इसको
Hashtag
गिल्टी
true.
फील करा कि इसको ट्रस्ट इश्यूज हैं एंड शी डज नॉट ट्रस्ट हिम इनफ, इसलिए उसको ये करने की जरूरत पड़ी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट.
Yeah.
I mean, imagine a situation where she breached his privacy and he was not cheating. Then it would be wrong, right?
या,
Yeah.
बट देन ही हैज टू ब्लेम
Absolutely.
ना. फिर अगर ये वापस घुमाती है कि तूने मुझे ऐसा इनसिक्योर फील करा है इसलिए मैंने तेरी प्राइवेसी ब्रीच की, तो फिर ये गैस लाइटिंग कर रही है तभी.
Correct. Correct.
Hmm.
सो लाइक अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ तो जस्ट एक्सेप्ट योर फॉली. दैट्स व्हाट बीइंग नॉर्मल इज अबाउट. बट ऐसा करता कौन है? यू नो, इफ यू गाइस थिंक, तुम लोग भी शायद अपने लाइफ में करते होंगे. आई एम अवेयर अबाउट कि मैं भी कभी कभी कर लेता हूँ.
हाँ, even I feel like कभी-कभी करता हूँ. But if you are actually with a partner, I feel even if that thing happens, because I feel like this is something that just doesn't happen with a fuckboy. That can also happen with like normal friends.
हाँ,
या
इवन
फिर
पेरेंट्स.
with your yeah, or even maybe like your actual partner or your real partner. That is kind of like an instinct by a human not to take the blame. It is very rare, बहुत कम ऐसे लोग होंगे जो अपनी गलती पहले ही गो में मान लेंगे. What you want to do is that somehow find a way out of that mistake and not take the blame on yourself, right? So maybe like that could also be one thing. So I won't say that is like a prominent example of being a fuckboy. That is kind of close to identifying it. But yeah, if the other person is after, this thing happens and everything calms down, and that person is not introspecting and coming back to you and saying, because तुम्हारे में इतना तो sense होगा ना कि like, okay, you did make a valid point. And if the other person is not at all addressing it, bro, bye bye. Big time to say bye bye.
इट एक्चुअली
But yeah,
डिपेंड्स
if
ऑन द
he does,
इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द सिचुएशन कि उसने कितना फकअप किया और तुम्हारी कितनी इंटेंस फीलिंग्स है जो सामने डिसमिस हुए जा रही
yup,
है.
yup. But I feel like if you should give the other person a chance if you genuinely feel for that person. या मतलब suppose सामने वाला fuckboy हो, but अगर तुम्हारे पास genuine feelings हो, there is also possibility कि तुम्हारी genuine feelings वो बंदे को समझ आ जाए and then he changes.
वो
Like
सब अलग है ना.
maybe
वो गैसलाइटिंग से रिलेट
हाँ.
कैसे होता है? तू कहाँ घुस रहा है?
No, I'm saying that gaslighting can also be characterized as a normal instinctive behavior of a person.
Which is very bad. So if anyone thinks they are gaslighting, then I think that they should address that themselves and stop doing that.
Exactly. Introspect it and
हाँ.
then correct it.
Okay, let's move on to the next point, Amruta.
Yes.
Next point is they attack your independence. They
Please
will
elaborate.
try to huh. So they will sort of unknowingly, क्या बोलते हैं, they will insert themselves into every situation in your life. And along with all the gaslighting and
Yeah.
stuff that's been going on, you feel very dependent on them. Suppose like अब तुम्हारा ऐसा किसी के साथ चल रहा होगा, तो you're obviously like talking to them a lot, right?
हम्म
So afterwards, like if you feel ऐसे कुछ तो गलत हो रहा है तुम्हारी लाइफ में, या you feel any negative emotion, you feel like, oh, like I have to tell them. Like कीड़ा जैसा बन जाता है वो. And okay, so I'll tell you what.
it's very
Most of
close to
the
her.
time, most of the times I have been involved with a fuckboy who's very good at his fuckboyness. I have ended up alienating a lot of my friends
Yeah.
to the point कि ओ अगर मेरे को कुछ बुरा लगा तो I cannot go and tell them because they'll just be like I told you so. या ऐसे कोई तो deadpan सा reaction रहेगा
हाँ,
उनका.
तो अपने गिल्ट तू उनके साथ शेयर भी नहीं कर सकती बिकॉज यू नो कि दे विल जज यू.
They'll judge you, or they will tell you what you already know but what you don't want to accept.
इसलिए यू स्टॉप कम्युनिकेटिंग विद देम बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट टू एक्सेप्ट. तो यू नो कि यहाँ से मेरे को यही सुनने मिलने वाला और मुझे ये नहीं सुनना है. वैसे धीरे धीरे हो जाता है, थोड़ा थोड़ा वो तेरे साइड से कट ऑफ करने लगता है कि ही विल ट्राई टू बी थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव एंड इससे बात मत कर, उससे बात मत कर, व्हाई डू हैव टू शेयर दिस विद दिस पर्सन. दे विल कट आउट ऑल द कनेक्शंस के यू आर ओनली डिपेंडेंट ऑन दैट पर्सन, कि हर चीज में तुम्हें उनकी याद आएगी, सुबह दोपहर शाम रात, तो उससे से बात करो. जब वो अवेलेबल ना हो तो तुम्हारे दिमाग में उसी के थॉट्स आएंगे क्योंकि और कोई है ही नहीं तुम्हारे लाइफ में.
और वो खुद तो they are exploring everything but they make you feel guilty about exploring or even thinking of exploring other things. This is actually a huge one, like very
Yeah,
common.
this was like absolutely
हाँ बट
on
आई
point.
थिंक ये अगर कोई आइडेंटिफाई ना कर पाना कि उनके लाइफ में हो रहा है
हाँ.
तो दे आर डम फक्स. नो ऑफेंस अमृता.
Excuse me, that this did not happen to me.
But you must have done it. That's what he meant, not me. Kaushal meant.
Did I do it? Did I? No. Dude, I don't have time for stuff like this. So I'm always like, dude, can you deal with this yourself? I'm never.
0.4 of a fuckboy or a bitch.
जब कम्युनिकेट कर रहा होता है तब
they're super cool. But then actually में बात आती है तो फिर like यही बैठ के यही सारी चीजें करेंगे वो लोग.
Okay, मैं ना अपनी पॉलिसी ना तुम लोग को बाद में बताऊंगी. But till then, please refrain from personal attacks.
अरे it was just joke, bro.
हाँ.
I know, but like, I'll come to this. I will tell you my policy because I think that's very, very respectful actually. But yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think the same thing applies to women also कि हमने बहुत ज्यादा fuckboys ही बोला है तो like मैं थोड़ा सा
हाँ.
bitches वाले पर्सपेक्टिव भी हल्का सा शेयर कर देता हूँ. हाँ कि they also kind of do the same thing. पहले तो वो भी बहुत हद से ज्यादा commitment phobic रहते हैं. Some bitches are at least honest, which I respect in that, कि अगर वो कहीं किसी और के साथ डेट पे जा रही है तो they'll at least tell you. But that is actually a bad thing क्योंकि वो सिर्फ तुम्हारे अंदर insecurity पैदा करता है और कुछ नहीं.
हाँ. Like I just don't get this point कि like अगर तुम already किसी if you're seeing someone, how can you go on a date with the other person? मुझे तो वही लॉजिक पूरा गलत लग रहा है.
तो वही ना, जैसे सपोज एक मेरी बहुत अमेजिंग डेट गई है किसी के साथ, लाइक बहुत अच्छा था, हमने 4-5 घंटे साथ में टाइम स्पेंड किया, एवरीथिंग हैपेंड, लाइक वी क्लिक्ड, स्पार्क हुआ वगैरह वगैरह. नेक्स्ट डे मैं एक्साइटेड हूँ, खुश हूँ कि हाँ चलो भाई कल तो मस्त दिन गया था एंड लाइक मे बी समथिंग विल डेवलप एंड आई विल टेक्स्ट दैट पर्सन व्हाट्सअप एंड सामने रिप्लाई आता है गोइंग ऑन अ डेट. कैसे दिल पे लगेगा वो?
Exactly. So that should not continue for the next day as well.
हाँ बट सिंस यू हैव कनेक्टेड एंड बॉन्डेड सो मच, तो शायद तुमने अपना दिल काइंड ऑफ थोड़ा थोड़ा लगा दिया बट सामने वाले ने नहीं लगाया या फिर उसको मल्टीपल लोगों के साथ लगाना है. सो यहाँ पे यू टेक इट एज अ पर्सनल अटैक एंड देन यू ट्राई टू प्रूव इट के जो मैंने दिल लगाया वो गलती नहीं है मेरी. सो नाउ यू ट्राई टू प्रूव इट टू योरसेल्फ कि अब मैं इसको कन्विंस करूंगा कि दे विल बी विद मी. सो दैट्स हाउ यू गेट इवन मोर इन्वॉल्वड इन दिस.
Yeah.
No,
Or maybe
actually,
like
you
you
know
could
what?
also
In this situation, I think what the girl is doing is, I have a term for this. It's called भ्रम तोड़ना. वो तुम्हारा भ्रम तोड़ रही है.
But what if
That
she
is
also had an amazing time and वो clearly दिख
So
रहा है.
if she did want to do something, she would just tell you, or she wouldn't be going on another date for starters.
अच्छा कोई गाय करता तो तू उसको फक बॉय बोलाती है, लड़की कर रही है तो भ्रम तोड़ना।
एग्जैक्टली।
नहीं नहीं, see the point is कि यहाँ पे you're straight away telling someone कि oh I'm going on another date, yeah. तो like she is not under the impression कि तुम डेट पे नहीं जाओगे या फिर तुम अगर डेट पे जाओगे तो गलत है. Like there are no क्या बोलते हैं, there's no rules or there's no.
But there is some standard traditional ethics की एक टाइम पे एक बंदा. So if you're seeing someone, अगर तुम उसके साथ डेट पे गए हो, okay, that doesn't mean you're now a couple. But if you're going and seeing some other person, you should have the courtesy to say that this is not going to work out. You can't keep the other. That's called basically putting on the hook. You can't be like, हाँ चल ठीक है, मेरा स्वयंवर चल रहा है, मैं ये टेस्ट कर आती है, फिर बाद में मैं तेरे पास वापस आएगी अगर मेरे को और कुछ आगे नहीं मिला तो.
अरे इमेजिन ना,
I'm
यू हैड एन
thinking कि
अमेजिंग डेट, तुम लोग ने किस किया, सेक्स किया वगैरह वगैरह सब कुछ हो गया, देन तो एटलीस्ट थोड़ा सा तो मेंटल एक्सपेक्टेशन होगा ना तुझे कि दिस पर्सन लाइक्स मी, नाउ दे हैव फक्ड यू, इससे ज्यादा और कैसे क्लियर सिग्नल
the
दे चाहे वो।
problem is नहीं तुम्हारा, not तुम्हारा, but the problem here would be if she banked on that expectation and did like a few other things or like 2 months or like a long time down the line, तब उसने अगर तुम्हारा भ्रम तोड़ा होता तो that would have been like a bitchy move. But like the very next day when you text her WhatsApp and if she tells you oh I'm going on a date, I think that's fair game because
No,
that's like
absolutely not.
That is totally a bitch
straight
move यार.
like
Can you fuck someone today and fuck some different guy tomorrow?
इतना लंबा मिल रहा है मतलब, yeah, she's saying yes. No, okay, see, listen this one thing. Okay, fine. Let me try to explain. मैं कौशल का point बहुत अच्छी तरीके से agree, like समझ भी रहा हूँ बोल रहा. Now imagine the situation. You go on a date with a person, and obviously बात है ना, तुम ऐसा date पे जाओगे तो like you must have talked to that person. बहुत कम लोग blind date पे जाते हैं, like बस मुंह उठा के चले. तुमने पहले कुछ conversation तो करा है, एटलीस्ट लाइक एक दिन पहले तो बात करी होगी, क्या कुछ तो बात करी होगी अबाउट दैट पर्सन, राइट? यू गो एंड मीट दैट पर्सन. Now there's always a binary answer to it. Either you want it, like, you want to take this thing forward, or you don't want to take this thing forward. Like, so when I say binary answer, it's allegedly like, do you want to get serious or you don't want to get serious? अभी उसके अंदर जो confusion वाली बात होती है ना, that simply falls in the part that you don't want to get serious. At least clear that thing out. If you just keep it in the middle, ki, I don't know whether I want to get serious or not. Let's just keep this on a hold. So that's called fucking putting on the hook. And now if that person is on the hook, he will be in the expectation that, okay, like something can happen. And लड़के या लड़की कोई ना कोई सिचुएशन के अंदर तो चुतिया होता ही है, तो वो वहां पे रुकेगा, and then the other person, he is going there and exploring other things. At this point, the person, he himself has demeaned himself so much कि bro, वो now he has just become an option for the other person. ये जो सारे Facebook पे tags आते हैं, it's all seeing all these things. कि why are you keeping yourself as an option? वो बंदा अगर जाके किसी और को, the moment you step out and date, go and see some other person, you should also be a free bird now. You cannot be sitting there and hoping that person to come back to you.
Okay, मुझे एक्चुअली ना अमृता का पॉइंट समझ आ रहा है तेरे बोलते बोलते कि वो क्या बोल रही है. एंड शी इज बेसिकली सेइंग कि कैजुअल है उसके साइड से, कैजुअल इज हम लोग कैजुअल एंड बिचेस को मिक्स कर रहे हैं. दैट्स व्हाट वी आर डूइंग राइट नाउ. कि बट माय थिंग वाज कि इट वाज एम्बिगुअस ड्यूरिंग द डेट, दैट्स व्हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस टूट रही है यहाँ पे. कि वो पहले से अगर क्लैरिटी होती कि दिस इज सुपर कैजुअल एंड नथिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन तो ठीक है. बट इफ दैट इज नॉट डिस्कस्ड,
if that is not discussed, then it's fine. But if that is discussed, the girl said
so everything
yes,
is fine.
and अगले दिन अगर वो बोलती है कि I'm going on a date, that's not cool. But
so
if it's not discussed, then
after saying it like this, it's just neutralizing the whole point. But there are very few situations ऐसे में जहाँ पे none of the person gets attached, right? By saying it like, okay, ये casual था, you're just neutralizing the whole situation. ऐसा नहीं होता. Like Kaushal, you in fact तू खुद अभी बोल रहा था, right? कि after spending that quality of time, you do get attached, and if you're
but
not
that is mindset ना. अगर तुम पहले ही डिस्कस कर लिया है कि this is just plain casual and आगे कुछ नहीं करना हमें, तो वो कितना भी तुम बॉन्ड कर लो, माइंडसेट में डीप डाउन हमें पता ही होता है कि भाई आगे कुछ नहीं होना, देन व्हाटएवर द फक दे वांट टू डू दे विल डू। बट अगर तुम लोग ऐसे डेट पर्सपेक्टिव से ही मिल
I
रहे हो,
don't agree to that. You might meet a person casually, but then you might end up having feelings.
अमृता का वही तो लाइफ स्टोरी है।
but नहीं, बट आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि तुमको अगर ऐसी फीलिंग्स आ रही है तो that develops over like same. I have been on tons of casual dates which did not end up being anything, which is why I
Yeah,
feel like if you talk the next day and then you're like मैं दूसरे डेट पे जा रही हूँ, and that's like okay,
Well,
yeah,
that's
if you didn't
that's
promise
it ना, it's a
anything to the
casual
other
date.
person.
exactly. That's the whole point. If you're meeting a person without stating this thing that, okay, there's nothing serious going to happen,
तो ठीक है।
right? Then it is fine. But if those ground rules are not set, then it is absolutely wrong. I would not even take like any side कि हाँ चलेगा या like थोड़ा सही है थोड़ा गलत है.
हाँ, और मेरा पॉइंट थोड़ा अलग टाइप का था कि एक तो ये एम्बिग्यूअस है कि हमने कुछ भी डिफाइन नहीं किया कि इट्स अ प्रॉपर गेट रिलेशनशिप वाला डेट या कैजुअल डेट और व्हाटएवर, एंड डिपेंडिंग ऑन द
That
डेट।
is where
हाँ, अगर डेट पे तुम अच्छे बातें करो, लाइक यू आर शेयरिंग योर पर्सनल शिट, योर लाइफ ट्रॉमा एंड लाइक वेरी वेरी इंटेंस थिंग्स अबाउट योरसेल्फ, दैट इज एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी वल्नरेबल। सो वो पॉइंट पे अटैचमेंट्स हो जाती है, स्पेशली सिंस वी हैव नॉट क्लियर्ड आउट कि कैजुअल है कि नहीं। उसके बाद द नेक्स्ट डे यू गो एंड डू आउट द सेम थिंग विद समवन एल्स, सो दैट इज अ बिची मूव, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग।
Exactly, you cannot. लाइक फिर तो तुम खुद अंदर से कितने हॉलो हो, लाइक तुम अपनी लिटरली इतनी सीरियस बात अगर सभी पूरे गांव में जाके गा रहे हो, आई एम सॉरी टू से बट लाइक दैट हाउ डू यू लिव विद दैट थॉट, लाइक ओके यू डोंट हैव प्रायोरिटीज फॉर अ पर्सन और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, हाउ कैन दैट बी अ थिंग? हाँ, इफ यू जस्ट कीप इट दिस वे दैट ओके फाइन तुम मिल रहे हो, ठीक है, यू वांट टू जस्ट नो द पर्सन, राइट, एंड इफ यू मीट दैट पर्सन यू डोंट क्लिक और यू डोंट feel like yeah, this could might work out, or even take this case that you're uncertain about it, okay, you felt a little, some moments are nice, the other moments are like okay, I would say instead of going and looking to some other thing, just hold on to it, bro, like even 1% chances, just stay there and think about it. कोई यहाँ पे ट्रेन नहीं छूटे जा रही कि दैट अगले दिन तुमको जाके एक्सप्लोर करते ही रहना है, मतलब आई जस्ट गॉट ट्रिगर्ड ऑन दैट पॉइंट कि लाइक हाउ कैन यू से दैट having a person on the hook and then going and seeing the other person is fine.
And you know what's the worst part? जब second thing does not work out and they try to come back to you.
Exactly. It just feels like कि तुम भाई दुकान जा रहे हो, तुमने ये कुर्ता देखा, दूसरा कुर्ता देखा, तीसरा कुर्ता देखा, और फिर बाद में तुमको दूसरा तीसरा नहीं अच्छा लगा, तुम वापस से पहला जाके खरीद रहे हो. These are fucking humans. You can't do that.
हाँ, so I guess ये characteristic में add कर सकते हैं हम कि they treat you
Yeah.
as sex objects or just someone who does not
Objects,
have feelings. हाँ,
actually.
objects. Yeah.
Objects.
They don't
And,
consider you fellow human with equal amount of feelings and everything. Yeah, Amruta.
I would like to say two things. एक तो यार जब डेट होती है, आई थिंक टू प्रोटेक्ट योर इंटरेस्ट्स तुम यही मान के चलो कि कैजुअल है,
Yep.
unless
हाँ.
something else is said. You assume, वो presumption होता है कि ये casual है, until someone comes and clears it up. Hey, I want to do this or do that. आगे.
तो ये हम लास्ट में पॉइंट ये ऐड रख सकते कि how to spot or like not be a fuckboy.
Right. Secondly, I would want to say कि it is I would not endorse being a fuckboy or a fuckgirl, whatever. But if you are one, you are allowed to be that, provided कि you come with like a disclaimer कि this is what I am, and you are allowed to choose to either associate or dissociate with me based on that information. If you still want to associate, then वो market risks वाला वही same thing हो गया. Please read documents carefully before investing your
एक
time.
fuck boy मुझे बता जो honestly accept करता हो कि वो fuck boy है, वो लोग तो denial में ही जीते हैं. You say they are allowed to be fuck boys, but they are not accepting. एक honest fuck boy बता दे मुझे.
Self awareness now. उनको खुद को ही ना पता हो कि उनके ये जो moves है वो actually fuck boy moves है, and that is kind of they are just living their life, they're having their good time.
और उनको पता भी है तो भी उनको एड्रेस नहीं करना, वही ना कि बस सिचुएशन में जीना ही नहीं है हमें.
ठीक है. So like see, it's not always on them. People are idiots sometimes, but then that is where you have to smarten up. तो वो भी हम कवर करेंगे बाद में कि how to
हाँ
protect
वही.
yourself.
So let's come to the
हाँ,
next point.
you are right. Some people don't know. See, some people don't know that they're fuckboys, and in that case, you should.
So yeah, tell me the next point. और क्या characteristics होती है उनकी?
Last मैं कहना चाहूंगी, if they have like sexist or racist tendencies, just don't.
But those are the human characteristics ना, वो fuckboy bitches में नहीं आता. मतलब it could be a very nice, mature, intellectual, intelligent person. वो भी तो racist और sexist हो सकता है.
Correct. So I think this is just like a general disclaimer. That it's not like fuckboy specific, but ठीक है. Just general note, अगर sexism और racism तुम्हें दिख रहा है तो run in the other direction.
Unless you're a racist yourself, then high five.
Exactly.
Yep. So
Okay.
I think we have covered with that. और कोई points है तेरे पास?
नहीं.
Yeah, so I guess those were like the typical characteristics of fuckboy and bitches. Now we'll come to the main part, जो हमारे listeners भी interested है कि how do you spot them and how do you save yourself? कि अगर गलती से एक wild fuckboy is encountered somewhere, how should you behave? What do you think, Jay?
See, it would be very difficult to
मतलब तू
not
bitch का
get
perspective
attracted.
दे कि if you
Exactly.
हाँ
Not get attracted to a bitch, right? If she's a bitch, she's a bitch. But you should know your shit, right? You should not undermine yourself. You have also done at least something in your life, so just appreciate that thing. Um, yeah, I feel like just self-awareness is very important to keep you safe from bitches or fuckboys.
okay. अमृता?
पहले तो just general as a rule, fuckboys will always go after people who do not have a strong sense of boundaries. And I'll tell you बहुत ही shamelessly कि I had no boundaries whatsoever, and I fell prey to so many of these people. It's not even funny. But हाँ, तो thanks. But like bottom line ये है कि तुमको पता होना चाहिए कि तुमको क्या चाहिए, and
Yeah.
you should be smart enough to recognize when that is not being given to you either directly or indirectly. अब
I
उसमें
agree
भी
with that.
अगर
Yeah. So basically, firstly, मैंने एक podcast बनाया हुआ है, a solo podcast, which is on how to find the correct partner for yourself. If you have not watched it, click the I button over here. हाँ. So उसमें ये जो इन दोनों ने अभी बोला, all these points are covered. कि first thing, जैसे इसने boundaries बोला, you should like basically create a code of conduct for yourself. कि ये चीज मेरे लिए
Correct.
acceptable है और ये चीज deal breaker है. So if you spot a deal breaker, no matter how attractive they are, you know कि long term में तुम्हें उसकी वजह से तकलीफ होने वाली है, तो ignore मत करो, क्योंकि बाद में वही प्रॉब्लम बनने वाला है. So that is one thing. कि suppose if you want communication with that person, कि अच्छे से you want them to listen to you or you want them to express themselves properly, कुछ भी force नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैं तेरे को force करता रहूं कि तू नहीं बता मुझे. So that can be a negative thing. Another can also be a physical thing, कि जो generally fuckboys में नहीं होता, in general होता है कि some people like to be physical and some people don't like to be physical. So this can also be a deal breaker. कि fuckboy will try to convince you to be more physical with him, and if it's not in your boundaries, then you will consider that as a deal breaker. Are you guys getting my point?
Yeah, but the tough part is like when you really like that other person,
Yeah.
you tend to be like, oh मेरा code of conduct है, मैं compromise कर लेता हूँ थोड़ा सा. कौन ही मतलब no one is aware of this code of conduct except for me. So you tend to be like, oh ठीक है, it's okay to compromise on that. It's not, don't do it. Do not do it.
बट कितने लेवल तक ना, लाइक वही है ना कि इंटेंसिटी कितने की. कोई एकदम मेजर डील ब्रेकर है, देन डोंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज विद दैट शिट. कोई माइनर छोटी मोटी चीजें हो, देन आई थिंक दैट इज एक्सेप्टेबल गिवन दैट बाकी सारी चीजें आर बीइंग फुलफिल्ड. सो वो वही सेल्फ अवेयरनेस पे आ जाता है, लाइक हाउ गुड आर यू एट आइडेंटिफाइंग अदर्स के वो जो बोल रहे हैं कि उनके बातों में जेन्युइनिटी दिख रही है या फिर वो सिर्फ तुम्हें खुश करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. दैट इज समथिंग यू शुड आइडेंटिफाई.
Correct. Just be like, have a list of expectations. Yeah, not like a physical list, but like just एक idea रखो कि तुमको क्या expectations है एक relationship से, and just present it to the other person and be like, bro, like मेरे को अब suppose मेरे को clear communication चाहिए and I want like so and so to happen if we do not agree on a certain point or anything, if we have a fight for, I mean, simply put. But like, just be like, these are my requirements. Are you ready to meet them?
But don't you think like वो बहुत ज़्यादा फिर that will show you as a more demanding person and the other person would just be like उसको भले ही serious relationship क्यों ना हो, maybe like तुम उसके checklist से निकल जाओ.
यार डिमांडिंग मतलब क्या होता है? अगर तू बेसिक राइट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन मांग रहा है तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज डिमांडिंग.
Yeah, but like when you say like a checklist, yeah, when you say like ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए, deal breakers and stuff like that, I feel like if
चल
you
जय, तू
want to
मुझे
really
बता कि
get, let me
would you
finish,
want a
let me
partner or
finish.
a wife? प्लीज सुन ले. would you want a partner or a wife जो तुझे मारे,
Or a husband?
डोमेस्टिक अब्यूज करे तेरे साथ?
Exactly, when you put it like this, now what you're doing is you're just making the situations very hyped up to get your points proved,
हम्म.
right? तो ये तो obviously नहीं चाहिए रहेगा किसी को. That's obvious, not even a question to be asked. The point I'm saying is that you cannot have fixed, how I take it this way, you cannot have fixed rules that this should be and this should not be. It's more about at the situation. And that is what I mean by being self-aware. अगर किसी situation के अंदर you feel that you're comfortable doing that thing, yeah, you can stretch to that boundary. I believe you should, because that's kind of like just going out of your comfort zone and accepting, letting that person into your life. Because if you don't do that, you're not going to let anybody into your life. But on the contrary, if you don't stretch your boundary, like if you're stretching your boundaries way ahead of your limit, you might just lose yourself. So I feel it this way that you can't have like fixed criteria. ये होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए उस person, और अगर वो नहीं होता तो it would not work out. I would say just give it some time. You can't rush into anything or you can't rush out of anything. Be patient and deal with it.
जय, हम लोग ना फक बॉय एंड बिचेस की बात कर रहे हैं जो एक्सट्रीम टॉक्सिक लोग होते हैं. सो यहाँ पे हायर लेवल ही है. तो तू जो बोल रहा है कि आउट ऑफ कंफर्ट जोन, कि अगर सपोज तू इंट्रोवर्टेड है, सामने वाला एक्सट्रोवर्टेड है, वो तेरे को बाहर निकलने के लिए फोर्स करे, ये सब नॉर्मल बिहेवियर है. दैट इज टोटली डिफरेंट.
I am also talking about fuckboy and fuck bitches, but right now I'm talking about you being the victim to a fuckboy and how you might see that person as a fuckboy, but you never know what happens that way.
देख, अगर वो तेरे साथ अच्छे से बात नहीं कर रही है तो तू अपने आप को एक्सक्यूजेस तो नहीं देगा ना कि वो कम्युनिकेट
Obviously,
नहीं कर रही है बिकॉज उसका लाइफ में ये रीजन है. तो उसको उसको खुद अपने दिमाग में डिफेंड कर रहा है. दैट इज व्हाट चीज एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू से कि वो नहीं करना चाहिए, कि प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन इज इन योर
I
लिस्ट
am
एंड इट
not.
शुड बी देयर.
Yeah, I'm agreeing to that. तो मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ ना कि जो चीज you have to, evaluate that thing according to that criteria. कि
हाँ, सो
अगर
क्राइटेरिया
suppose
बहुत
वो
बेसिक
चीज
चीजें है हमारा पॉइंट वो है. कोई एकदम सुपरफिशियल चीजें नहीं है कि भाई ऐसा बिहेवियर होना चाहिए, एकदम इतना होना चाहिए, शिवलरी होनी चाहिए. ऑल्दो शिवलरी इज काइंड ऑफ शुड बी देयर, बट ठीक है.
Just like very basic stuff like communicate karo, or don't have like anger issues like you're going to break stuff and stuff like that. And please just be respectful at all points of time. I do not care what is happening, you have to respect me as a person. If that is not going to happen, then bro, just go away. Like, and when you're dealing with fuckboys and everything, time is not something that you should be willing to give, because तुम्हारे टाइम से ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट कुछ नहीं है इस जिंदगी में. कुछ नहीं है टाइम से ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट. तो फिर मैंने ना एक ऐसे टिकटॉक देखा था, उसमें this one girl was saying कि if you have high standards, you are going to protect yourself from low quality experiences. And like that quote has just stuck with me for so long. And बस यही, this is all you can do, just raise your standards.
Okay.
देखो
So
तुम के ड्रामा,
के ड्रामा कहाँ से आ गया?
भाई उसके लड़के लाइक बहुत ही एंजेलिक से होते हैं, या लाइक लड़के लड़कियां दोनों,
I'll
लाइक
just
देयर
pretend
लाइक
not to hear that and we'll come back to our point now. So I guess that is it यार. और कुछ है क्या तुम लोग को, और क्या चीज लगती है और कुछ बोलने की जरूरत है अबाउट फक बॉय एंड बिचेस? आई थिंक हमें यहाँ पे पर्सनल वॉर ज्यादा हो गई है कंपेयर टू फक बॉय एंड बिचेस.
I would say कि if you are a fuckboy, it's okay, but like work on yourself.
I would say if you're a fuck boy then it's not okay and work on yourself. Hmm.
I would say the same. If you're a fuckboy or a bitch, just work on yourself because it's not okay. At the end of the day, even you would want to be with a stable partner.
हाँ, because I know personally know fuck boys and being ex me, Jay and Amrita, we do realize कि this is not a good way to live. एक point के बाद तुम्हें खुद अपने आप से अच्छा रहना नहीं लगेगा. कभी ना कभी तो तुम अवेयर हो ही जाओगे कि भाई मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मेरी लाइफ में कुछ भी फुलफिलिंग नहीं है.
नहीं ठीक है यार, तो that is like something that they have to grapple with. और तुम जितना भी बोल लो ना किसी को कि like the way you are is not okay, they're not going to listen. तो
हाँ वही
like
ना,
they
तुमको
have
अंदर
to,
से कभी ना कभी तो होगा ही ना कि ये मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ
हाँ,
अपने लाइफ के साथ.
at some point they'll also come to that same conclusion, but you cannot make them come to that conclusion is my point.
Yeah, but if you are suppose being are someone who wants to do super casual, just make sure कि everyone around you is aware about it. जिनके साथ भी तुम बाहर जाओ, don't keep it ambiguous for them. कि अगर तुम्हें सामने की साइड से वाइब लग रहा है कि maybe they are looking for something more serious, then it is kind of your moral responsibility to tell them. फिर तुम उसको अंधेरे में नहीं रख सकते. That is a fuckboy or a bitch move. If you are aware कि सामने वाला का है थोड़ा सा expectation.
हाँ, like I said, you're allowed to be the worst person in the world, but you have to let everyone else know so that they can, you know, be like, ठीक है, दूर रहो मुझसे.
हाँ, but वही ना, if you are open about who you are, then you are not the worst person in the world. So it's okay.
Exactly.
That's a good point. You can be self-aware and like the worst person in the world. That is
See,
possible.
no, you can be self-aware, but you also have to be honest. Honest and worst person नहीं होता.
Okay.
मैं
fair
self-aware
enough.
हूँ, but मैं honest नहीं हूँ उसके बारे में. मेरे को पता है मैं क्या हूँ, but मैं exactly opposite चीजें बोल रहा हूँ जो सामने वाले को खुश कर रही है. So that is basically pure deception.
Also, like I feel कि अगर ऐसा हुआ ना, तो like you're leaving a lot to the agency of the other person. So a lot of it just comes down to how, like, what are your survival tactics? What do you want? And what do you know about yourself is what will protect you in the end, not other people's honesty or you know, them giving you a disclaimer about themselves. That's not going to help you. What's going to help you is just yourself.
Yeah, then I guess I think ये तो ना दिल तोड़वाने के बाद ही लोग सीखते हैं. एक बार तो you have to experience all of this yourself to know कि what you don't want ahead. So ये
चलना में
थियोरेटिकली
क्या?
कितना भी सुन लो तुम्हें नहीं समझ आएगा जब तक तुमने खुद ही एक सिचुएशन में जिए नहीं हो. At least that was the case for me. I don't know about you guys.
I feel like Beko na, I feel like I have been like a fuck boy, female version. So
Bitch.
I feel like that gives you like a, geez, okay. I feel like that gives you like a lot of insight as to who's trying to play you. You've played the game, so you know the rules.
You have played on both sides ना, so you know how everything works. दिल तोड़ा भी और दिल
The
तोड़वाया भी है.
Grandmaster. The Grandmaster.
हाँ, so now you are
So
like above all of that shit कि अगर like if you're ex person and now you know, so अब तुम आराम से इजीली डिटेक्ट कर सकते हो स्मूथली. एंड शायद हमने जो ये पॉडकास्ट में बोला उतना अच्छे से हमने आर्टिकुलेट भी नहीं किया कि हमारे लिसनर्स को उतना इम्पैक्टफुल लगे. बट ये हमारे दिमाग में अलग अलग खुद की डेफिनेशन है. अगर हम रियल लाइफ में अप्लाई करेंगे तो हम इजीली आइडेंटिफाई शायद कर सकते हैं, हम बच जाएंगे. बट लिसनर को अगर करना है तो आई थिंक उनको खुद एक बार एक्सपीरियंस करना ही पड़ेगा. या हम्म.
or or if you can learn from others' mistakes, that is always very helpful.
बट कितना सीखते हैं?
Read books.
Read books, huh? Yeah, read books. Just general good advice, यार. Just read. Just read. तुम ये सब में पढ़ोगे नहीं. बस पढ़ते ही रहो कुछ ना कुछ.
हाँ, फिक्शन में ऐसे प्यार प्यार की कथा होगी तो मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशंस नेक्स्ट लेवल पहुंच जाएंगे.
हाँ, correct. Dude, all of my friends who are like hardcore readers, they're just like, क्या कर रही है तू अपने समय के साथ? कुछ पढ़ ले इससे अच्छा.
Okay, so with that thought, I think we should end our today's podcast. Do you guys have any ending thoughts to share?
Don't screw up other people. Go to
I
therapy. Don't be the reason people need therapy.
Coming from a very
I would
personal
say-
place.
Yeah. I would say, yeah, we did have like Amrita did bring up some really good points जो मुझे actually नहीं पता थे, and I feel like if you are a fuckboy or maybe like you don't know you're a fuckboy or a bitch, after listening to this podcast, कुछ भी अगर एक आधा परसेंट भी अगर तुमको हिट होता है कि मे बी तुम गैस लाइटिंग करते हो या कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चीज करते हो, just work on it. Nobody is a bad person from inside. तुम्हारे situations या कुछ ना कुछ तुमको बुरा बना देते हैं. If you work on it, if you think today to change, you will.
आई डोंट नो, मतलब कि यहाँ पे तो फिर वही मैं तो आगे भी बोल सकता हूँ कि गुड एंड बैड क्या होता है वो भी तो सब्जेक्टिव होता है. उसके
नहीं, but
दिमाग
हम
में वो,
conclude
हाँ
कर रहे
वही,
हैं.
या लेट्स
हाँ,
कंक्लूड
हम
दिस.
conclude कर रहे हैं.
So thank you guys for watching. I really hope you loved listening to our podcast. If you are watching this on YouTube, then subscribe below. If you are listening to us on Spotify, then hit the follow button. And if you also love music, then do follow Amruta ka channel. It's called Amruta Nair. She's an amazing singer. Instagram पे भी वही handle पे मिल जाएगी. So do check her out. And if you guys have any follow-up thoughts or anything, feel free to hit her in the DMs. वो तुम्हें शायद ignore कर देगी, but फिर भी message भेज के देख लो एक बार. And
I will not ignore you.
okay, she'll help you out. So now you guys know, slide into her DMs aaram se. And if there are any fuckboys out there who are listening to this, I openly challenge you to try to get Amruta.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
We want more content for this. Part 2.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.